Hello everyone. Today we, the students of Kendra Vidyalaya Bhandup, is going to present a presentation on Odisha state. This presentation is made by Soumya, Meghna, Kashish and Soumya Patel. Thank you Mithilesh ma'am for all your support and guidance. Location: Odisha is located on the eastern coast of India. It is adjacent to Madhya Pradesh in the west, Andhra Pradesh in the south, West Bengal in northeast, Bay of Bengal in the east, and Bihar in the north. It has an area of 1,55,707 square kilometers. State map of Odisha. Geography: fertile land along the coast, forested highlands toward the interior, western and northern portions of the state are occupied by the Chota Nagpur plateaus. Flora and fauna: 33% forest area. Forests are full of bamboo, teak, rosewood, sanghav and haldi trees. White tigers and sloth bear, mongoose, flying squirrel, olive ridley turtle. Alexandruli parkeet, Indian pied, hornbill, hill myna. Government of Odisha. The government of the Indian state of Odisha and its 30 districts consist of an executive led by the governor of the Odisha, a judiciary and a legislative branch. Like other states in India, the head of state of Odisha is the governor appointed by the President of India on the advice of the central government. His or her post is largely ceremonial. The Chief Minister is the head of government and is vested with most of the executive powers. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha and houses the Vidhan Sabha, that is Legislative Assembly, and the Secretariat. The Odisha High Court, located in Cuttack, has jurisdiction over the whole state. Government of Odisha. Department of Home, General Administration and Public Grievances and other departments specifically not assigned. Chief Minister is Naveen Patnaik ji. Department of Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment, Fishery and Animal Resources Development and Higher Education, Cabinet Minister is Arun Kumar Shahu. Department of Forest and Environment, Parliamentary Affairs, Cabinet Minister is Bikram Keshri Arukha. Department of Health and Family Welfare, Cabinet Minister is Naba Kishore Das. Department of Finance and Excise, Cabinet Minister is Niranjan Pujari. Department of Planning and Convergence, Commerce and Transport, Cabinet Minister is Padma Nabha Behera. Steel and Mine Work, Cabinet Minister is Prafulla Kumar Singh. Panchayati Raj and Drinking Water, Law, Housing and Urban Development, Cabinet Minister is Pratap Jena. Chief Minister of Odisha. Shri Naveen Patnaik, born on 16th October 1946, is an Indian politician serving as the current and 14th Chief Minister of Odisha. He is also the President of the Biju Janata Dal, a writer and has authored 3 books. About Odisha. Odisha has an area of 1,55,707 square kilometer. It has a population of about 4,19,47,358. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar and its principal language is Oriya. About the state. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Language spoken in Odisha is Oriya. Odisha consists of 30 districts. About Odisha. The name Odisha is derived from Sanskrit word Odra Vishaya or Odra Desha. The ancient province of Odra Desha or Ordesha was limited to the valley of the Mahanadi and to the lower course of the Subarnika river. It comprised the whole of the present districts of Cuttack and Sambalpur and a portion of Midnapur. It was bounded on the west by Gondwana, on the north by the Wild Hill state of Jashpur and Singham, on the east by the sea, and on the south by the Ganjam. National Park associated in Odisha. Bhitarnika National Park, who was associated in 1988, has a total 145 km square. Simlimpal National Park, associated in 1980, has a total area of 845.7 km square. Wildlife Sanctuary. Badarama Wildlife Sanctuary, who was associated in 1962, has a total area of 304.03 km square. Baisipali Wildlife Sanctuary, associated in 1981, has a total area of 168.35 km square. Balukhand Konark Wildlife Sanctuary, associated in 1984, has an area of 71.72 km square. Bhitarnika Wildlife Sanctuary, associated in 1975, has a total area of 525 km square. Chandaka Dampara Wildlife Sanctuary, associated in 1982, has a total area of 175.79 km square. Language of Odisha. Odia language, also spelled Oriya, Indo-Aryan language with some 50 million speakers, a language officially recognized or scheduled in the Indian Constitution. It is also the main official language of the Indian state of Odisha, that is Odia. Cultures of Odisha. Odissi dance. Odissi, also referred to as Odissi, is older literature, is a major ancient Indian classical dance that originated in the Hindu temples of Odisha, an eastern coastal state of India. Odissi in its history was performed predominantly by women and expressed religious stories and spiritual ideas, particularly of Vaishnavism, Vishnu as Jagannath. Odissi performance have also expressed ideas of other traditions such as those related to Hindu god Shiva and Surya as well as Hindu goddess. Chow dance. Chow dance, Sambalpuri dance, which is originated from the western region of Odisha, tribal dance in the district of Korathput known as Dhimsa dance. Changu dance. Performed by almost all religion tribes of Odisha, Changu dance is a rural variety of tambourine. This dance is mainly performed by women, however, men only sing songs and groove with female dancers with simple steps. Visual arts of Odisha. Stone carving. Stone carving is an activity where pieces of rough natural stones are shaped by the controlled removal of stone. Owing to the permanence of material, stonework has survived which was created during our prehistory. Stone carving is one of the process which may be used by an artist when creating a sculpture. The term also refers to the activity of masons in dressing stone blocks for use in architecture, building or civil engineering. It is also a phrase used by archaeologists, historians and anthropologists to describe the activity involved in making some types of petroglyphs. Patachitra painting. Patachitra or Patachitra is a general term for traditional cloth-based scroll painting based in eastern Indian state of Odisha and West Bengal. Patachitra art form is known for its intricate detail as well as mythological narratives and folk tales inscribed in it. Patachitra is one of the ancient artwork of Odisha originally created for ritual use as souvenirs for pilgrims to Puri as well as other temples in Odisha. Patachitras are an component of an ancient Bengali narrative art originally serving a visual device during the performance of a song. Sand art. Sand art is the practice of modeling sand into an artistic form such as a sand brushing, sand sculpture, sand painting, or sand bottles. A sand castle is a type of sand sculpture resembling a miniature building, often a castle. The largest sand castle made in a contest was 18 feet tall. The owner, Ronald Malcungio, a 5-foot-high man, had to use several ladders, each the height of the sand castle. His sculpture consisted of 1 ton of sand and 10 liters of water to sculpt. Visual arts of Odisha. The Indian state of Odisha has a rich cultural and artistic heritage due to the region of many different rulers in past. Arts and crafts in Odisha underwent many changes, giving an artistic diversity today in the form of traditional handicrafts, painting and carving, dance and music. Clothing of Odisha.
Style of Odisha. Odisha saris have a close relation with the Jagannath culture. Originally, the 4 basic colors which are found on Lord Jagannath, black, white, red and yellow, are the extensively in Odia saris. Even the motifs such as the temple, border, lotus, conch and wheels signify the affinity with the reigning deity. The traditional Odia saris have been undergone vast changes as weavers try to adapt the designs to popular taste. Ikat saris. Ikat saris traditional. The Ikat saris have been produced in Odisha since time immemorial. The Ikat tradition of Odisha is the intricate process of the tie and dye. The Ikat technique is commonly known as Bandhana in Odisha and the traditional Ikat saris called as Pathan saris. In general terms, Ikat is a form of weaving these wonderful textiles. Clothing of Odisha. The Western style dress has gained greater acceptance in cities and towns among men, although the people prefer to wear traditional dresses like dhoti, kurta and gamcha during festivals or other religious occasions. Women normally prefer to wear the saris, Sambalpuri sari or the salwar kameez. Western attire is becoming popular among young women in cities and towns. The saris of Odisha is much in demand throughout the entire world. The different colors and varieties of saris in Odisha make them very popular among the women of the state. The handloom saris available in Odisha can be of 4 major types. These are Sambalpuri Ikat, Sambalpuri Bandhana, Sambalpuri Bomkai and Sambalpuri Saptaper. Odisha saris are also available in other colors like cream, maroon, brown and rust. The tie and dye technique used by the weavers of Odisha to create motifs on these saris is unique to this region. This technique also gives the saris of Odisha an identity of their own. Temples in Odisha: Jagannath Temple, Ma Tara Tarini Temple, and Sun Temple. The Sri Jagannath Temple is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Jagannath, a form of Vishnu, in Puri in the state of Odisha, on the eastern coast of India. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards on the site of an earlier temple and begun by King Anantvarma Chodaganga Deva, first of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. Ma Tara Tarini Temple. The Tara Tarini Temple on the Kumari Hills at the bank of the river Kushikulya near Brahmapur city in Ganjam district, Odisha, India, is worshipped as the priest shrine and manifestations of Adi Shakti. The Tara Tarini Shakti Pitha is one of the oldest pilgrimage centers of the Mother Goddess and is one of the 4 major ancient Tantra Pitha and Shakti Pithas in India. Konark Temple. Sun Temple. Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century CE Sun Temple at Konark, about 35 kilometers northeast from Puri on the coastline of Odisha, India. The temple is attributed to King Narasimha Deva of the Eastern Ganga dynasty of Odisha. Odia cuisine is the cuisine of the state of Odisha. It has developed over time with local culture and agriculture, and hence it has its distinct items and practices. Odisha borders both North Indian states and South Indian states, and consequently is similar to the cuisines of South and North India. Different dishes of Odisha. Pakhala Dibsa. Sweet dish of Odisha. Foods of Odisha. Festivals of Odisha. Durga Puja. Durga Puja occurs in the month of Ashwin, October-September. It is a 10-day long festival during the period Goddess Durga is worshipped in Shakti Petsa or temporary shrines called pandals. Navratri refers to the first 9 days of the festival. Prathmashtami. On Prathmashtami, households pray for the long life of the firstborn. Enduri Pitha is a special delicacy which is prepared for this occasion. It has the cultural significance that the firstborn were usually accepted to take over as the family head. It falls on the 8th day of Margshira month. Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra, also called as Car Festival, is a Hindu festival associated with Lord Jagannath held at Puri in the state of Odisha, India. It is the oldest Rath Yatra taking place in India. Odisha Tourism. Tourism in Odisha. Tourism in Odisha is one of the main contributors to the economy of Odisha, India, with a 500-kilometer long coastline, towering mountains, screening lakes, and flowing rivers. Odisha is one of the major tourism sectors of India, with various tourist attractions ranging from wildlife reserves, beaches, temples, monuments, the arts, and the festivals. Aishanyeshwara Shiv Temple. Aishanyeshwara Shiv Temple is a 13th century Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva, located in Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha, India. The temple is in the precinct of Municipal Corporation Hospital, Sri Ram Nagar, Old Town, Bhubaneswar. Chandradarbhanga Beach. Chandradarbhanga Beach is situated 3 km east of the Sun Temple of Konark in the Puri district in the Odisha, India. It is 30 km from the city of Puri. Formerly, Chandradarbhanga was considered a place of natural cure of lepers. Ratnagiri. Ratnagiri is the site of a ruined Mahavirha, once the major Buddhist monastery in modern Odisha, India. Tribal Research Institute Museum. Tribal Research Institute Museum, Museum of Tribal Arts and Artifacts, is a museum in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, inside the campus of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Research and Training Institute. It is popularly known as Tribal Museum and conceptually labeled as Museum of Men. Thank you.